Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a live wallpaper on a Windows 11 laptop. So as you can see here, I'm on my laptop, guys. And in order to use the live wallpaper on Windows 11, there are a few ways how to actually go about it. Now, the first way I'm going to show you is how it's done within Windows itself. And a second way is I'm going to show you if you're running the older version of Windows, how you can use a third-party application to get that done. So within the newest version of Windows or even the previous version of Windows, which is the 24H2, whether you're running 24H2 version or 25H2, I'm going to show you how to run it. Or even if you're using a Windows 10 PC, it doesn't matter. Some of these steps really apply, then you can do them. But as I have a Windows 11 right here, I'm going to show you how to use it. So right click on the Windows icon here and go to settings. Then I would recommend check to see what version of Windows you're running. So click on System, scroll down to the bottom and go to About. Scroll down again, check to see if you're running the version of 24H2 or 25H2. If you want the latest version of Windows 11, I just want to share this additional info with you. You click on Windows Update, check for updates, ensure that you have this turned on that says get the latest version of Windows. And if it's available in your country, you can check for updates and it should find it and give you the option to download and install it. Apart from that, if you don't have that version of Windows, what you can actually do is simple go ahead. Let me share with you how you can get it. Just simple open up your browser and just simple type in Windows 11 25 H2 download, and you will see from the Microsoft official web page here, you can click on download right here and you will see that the latest version is 25H2. You can use the Windows 11 assistant tool to get it, or you can get ISO download image right here. You can just select Windows 11 here, then go ahead and click download. It's going to go through the validation phase where you can select your language of Windows 11 that you want, and then it will give you the option to download it, right? And you can run that directly on your PC to install it, or you can use an application such as Rufus to create a bootable disk, and you can install your Windows 11 on your computer. That's if you want to upgrade your computer, right? So back to how you can get the live wallpaper. So if you have the latest version of Windows 11, right, whether you reinstall Windows or you do the update and you have the latest version of Windows, all you have to do is go to personalization, guys, and from here just simply choose background. Then you can ensure that you have pictures selected, scroll down, click on browse, and you can select a video directly from here. It's going to work because Windows 11 25H2 allows you to set videos as long as those video format is compatible, such as MP4, MOV, or AVI video file format. Those video file formats are going to work. So as long as you have a video file format that is supported by Windows, it's going to allow you to select that video and it will work, and it's going to be a live wallpaper. So that's how you can use a live wallpaper if you're running the latest version of Windows 11. Now, if you are using an older version of Windows 11, you can use these options, right? So the first option that you can use is by simply going ahead and select the slideshow option here. This slideshow option allow you to choose a folder, browse a folder on your computer. So if you have a video, if you have a folder with images, you can select that folder, click and choose a folder, and that's going to allow you to set the folder of images to show as a slideshow on your PC. So it's going to change it each time and you'll be able to see the difference. It's going to make your computer feel alive. You can even change the timing here. So if you wanted to change every minute, you can select 1 minute, or if you want to select every 30 minutes or every 1 hour or every 6 hours, etc., you can choose that. And if you want to make the images dynamic, you see that you have the option here to shuffle the pictures. So you can choose shuffle and it's going to make the pictures change for you, and it's going to make it shuffle. So you can change those images right here by shuffling that. Right, so that's the way how you can easily use your own pictures. Now, another way is to use the Windows Spotlight, and this is going to change the images every day for you, right? And as you can see right here, it says that a picture background applies to your current desktop, right? So this is going to allow you to change every day at least. So you will see different pictures change every day from time to time on your computer, right? So that's how you can do it. And this can be done within your background, or it can also be done for your lock screen as well. So if you want to do the same thing for a lock screen, you have the options for spotlight, slideshow as well. Now, another tip which I can share with you is if you have videos that you want to use, you can easily convert those videos to GIF. So if you go to open up your browser, guys, and you just simply search in something like how to convert a video to GIF, you can easily go ahead and find websites that allow you to do that. One website that I actually use pretty often, I'm going to show you right here, is a website such as freeconvert.com. You can type in video to GIF converter. Simple, take your video, drag it here, and you can convert your video. Or if you have Canva, you can use Canva to convert videos or even download videos from Canva. So I'm going to show you that as well. So here I have another browser window open here. And if you have your videos in Canva, just simple click on the share option on the upper right. Once you have your video here, click on download and just select the page and just select the file type for GIF, and you can download that video as a GIF on your PC, which you can use afterwards on your windows by simply selecting GIF. And I'm going to show you. So for example, if you choose, if I go back to, for example, background, and I want to select the option for pictures, I can select a GIF. So if I select image and I click on browse, you will see that if I go to all type, you can see that GIF is in the list right here. So it supports the GIF option here so that I can set a GIF as the background here. And so if you convert those videos to GIFs, you can also set them directly by choosing these options. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you found this useful. That's how you can easily use live wallpaper on Windows laptop. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.